This is a demonstration of the FloorBot Map Displayer written in eBASIC. So this is the opening window, and you can see from here that there's under File there's three options. There's the Load, the Play, and the Quit. And load means to load an existing data file that's in text format. This is information that has come from the robot into the PC and stored in text format. And so first you load the program, load the data file, and then you can play it. Up here also is the record option, which means just to start recording information that's coming in over the data stream. And the data stream is over the XB wireless connector. It can really be any kind of wireless connector, but here's the XB setup. This is a mock-up of the robot, and then the data comes off of the RS-232 port, which is shown here, to the XB, and then is wirelessly transmitted over to the PC to its XB connector, which goes to a USB plug onto the notebook computer. So that's how it's set to record. So this would start recording the data stream, and then there's another one that's just to observe, and that's just watch the data that's coming in from the robot, but not actually record it. So let's load one of the existing data files. So we'll click on Load, and that shows up over here on that screen. And so we're going to load one of the files, and so we'll do this one from 2007, and open. And so the data, as it's being loaded, shows up in this window. Okay. So this is all the raw data that came in from the Arna robot, the Metapo robot, and it has a lot of information that's coming in. What the software, the eBASIC software, does is extracts the cell information here. These are the cell coordinates, the X and Y coordinates. These little mini maps are just text maps that the robot is also spitting out. Those are largely ignored. So anyway, so we've got the file loaded, and now what we're going to do is play the file. So the first thing it does is sets up a graph, and then it's just replaying. The eBASIC is inputting the text file that came from the robot, and then putting the XY coordinates on the grid. Every time it disappears and starts redrawing, that means the robot did a restart, and then from its current location it starts mapping again. So this is how it does it. So that the blue ones are new explored spaces. The red one in the middle, is its starting point, and when it bumps into something, it puts an orange square in there. So that's how that eBASIC program works. Okay, that's that.